Welcome back to another speed build video. This is a constructor from the game Satisfactory. It is made all using genuine Lego, and the instructions for this build are available to download on rebrickable.com. I will link it in the description. So let's get into the speed build. Satisfactory is a first-person open-world factory building game where you can explore, and there's also an element of combat. You can play it alone or with friends. You can build mega factories and also create an absolute spaghetti of conveyor belts. You can explore the huge world in search of new materials and be sure to put everything to good use. Nature is your harvest. You have vehicles, jetpacks, jump pads and a lot more. When automating your factory in the game, the constructor is one of the things that you'll create very early on. It crafts one part into another part. It can be automated by feeding parts into it with a conveyor belt and connected to the input. The produced parts can be automatically extracted by connecting a conveyor belt to the output. The main focus of the game lies in constructing buildings and linking them together with conveyor belts so that your factory can handle the entire process of constructing them for you, including mining, transport, delivery and generating power to keep itself running. More advanced pioneers will precisely adjust their building clocks to maximise their efficiency. This can be done through the aid of power slugs and research. When exploring caves, you will come across spiders, and if, like myself, you really don't like them, there is an arachnophobia mode which turns the spiders into cute little cats that meow. It's safe to say that mode is always on when I'm playing this game. This Lego set that I'm currently building was designed by the nerdy Legoist. As I said previously, the instructions are available on Rebrickable. They're free of charge and the link will be in the description. I believe this was submitted to LEGO Ideas in 2022. I'm not sure of what the outcome was, but unfortunately I think that it was unsuccessful, which is a little bit surprising given the absolute incredible details and realism created within this build. As the designer has pointed out in the details on the Rebrickable site, that some of the elements can be a little bit pricey. I purchased all of the different elements from Bricklink and it cost around £200. But they've stated that you can change some of the plants and change them out for different colours, different variations to help reduce the cost. I kept everything authentic to the original design as I really liked it, and having played many hours on this game, I just saw the representation to be so realistic that I didn't want to change anything at all. The set consists of a total of 1,500 pieces and has been designed as a really nice display piece. I stumbled across this set by accident on Rebrickable and I'm really pleased that I did. I was super excited for the delivery of all the parts and to start the build. It really did not disappoint. The build was really enjoyable and the attention to detail was absolutely fantastic, and it made it exciting throughout. Hope you guys have enjoyed this speed build as much as I have building it. Please make sure to subscribe. The next video coming out on Monday is MOC Monday, and that is going to be involving using Lego to cut. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching guys. See you on the next one. Bye for now.